Hello the internet, and welcome to another CNRL Library Innovation Studio home workshop. Now you may have noticed in our workshops, we always have a little bit of music playing at the beginning and throughout, but today we're going to have to turn that off. Because today we're going to be doing a lot of work with sound. We're going to show you how you can turn your smartphone into a sound system. There's no need for Bluetooth speakers or anything like that. We're just going to use physics by capturing the sound. I'm going to cut a little slit here, put our phone in. The sound will travel along the tubes instead of going out in every direction. It'll be coming out of here. Now that doesn't help my ears. If I plug these on the side, all the sound will be coming out of that direction. So I can make the sound go in the direction I want. So when I'm listening to it, I'll have it pointing at me like this. And my ears will pick up all the sounds coming from these two tubes. Do a little bend so you can get your scissors in. And then cut along the tube. Now the slit only wants to be as big as your phone is. Pretty good. You're cutting a little rectangle out, a thin little rectangle. Don't want it too big, or it won't hold your phone securely. Out of the tube. So your phone can fit in, look at that. Lovely. Grab yourself a pen. You just want to get roughly the right size circle. So I'm just going to make a few marks and cut those out, and we'll do that with both. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now to do one on the other side. There we go. And then slot your phone in like this. Hey presto, freestanding speakers. Free freestanding speakers. So I'll play this without it being in there, and then we'll put it in to see what the difference is like. Quite dramatic. Okay, I'm really happy with this. You can decorate it any way you want because it's all just cardboard. You could paint it, you could do whatever you like with it. But I want to make something that's a little more strong. I'm going to use this hard tube that came out of a roll of aluminium foil, and for the speakers, sauce bottles as the source, of my sound. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this workshop, and we hope you get a lot of enjoyment out of listening to music on your new speaker system. Listen to that! We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this workshop, and we hope you get a lot of enjoyment out of listening to music on your new speaker system.